It's good because it's different. It's good because it's not your typical or average type of job.
It's basically anything to do with the interiors of a building.
I just love using my hands, and if you're the same, then you're guaranteed to enjoy building work.
This is a great industry for young people to move into. There is good training available, the opportunity for people to move into management or perhaps to run their own business. Typically the kind of work that our members would undertake would be the installation of suspended ceilings, office partitioning and raised access flooring. What makes this fit out very exciting are the use of the suspended ceiling together with the glass partitioning, which makes the design very modern. The glass enables people to have a private meeting or working in the quiet whilst still having the appearance of an open plan.
The financial reward is very, very good. Also chance to travel the country. Even some people I do know travel the world. Personally, I've worked in Germany, Switzerland, Channel Islands, and all over England.
As you can see, it's quite empty at the moment, but in 12 weeks' time we've got to hand it over to be a fantastic state-of-the-art construction of partitions and ceilings. You're going to see curved walls, doors, glass. There's going to be a bit of quirkiness, and here's an example of a concept drawing that they're potentially offering to the client. This is a typical low-level curved wall that we would be constructing. It's good to be able to achieve that. Someone's concept becomes reality.
Right now they're more or less welcoming women because they see that a lot of women are interested and are serious about working in construction.
Any gender we can teach. If they're worried about the weight of the boards, we can teach them the correct way to carry boards.
This is what's called a metal stud partition. And what you're doing is you fix your floor track and you fix your head track, as you can see there. And basically all you're doing is you're cutting your studs to length, right length, and you just sit them in every 600.
I can understand why it would seem a bit intimidating, but once you get over those barriers, it's not hard. You know, the guys are welcoming, they're encouraging and very supportive. The company that I've been working for, they've always been very supportive.
Construction is a good industry to come into, particularly working internally. You learn a trade, you learn a skill, you get so much variety in what you do, and you do get to meet some great characters on site.
People can enter through an apprenticeship route, they can come in at graduate level, they may come in after working within the industry for a number of years in different areas.
The first 3 weeks of my apprenticeship was served at college, basically learning all the basics, everything, like learning how to use your tools basically. And then what they do is they put you onto site for a month, and then you do a month's site learning, and then you go back to college. And some colleges are different, some colleges you do 1 day a week.
There are a number of options open to people who want to come into the industry through the apprenticeship route. They can do a full-time course, they can do a block release course or a day release course based on the kind of work that they're already taking up with one of the contractor members.
That's it, that's fine. As long as I can't see that joint, that's it. Basically, they're building a little stud wall partition to get the hand skills for drilling, marking, fixing. The ideal student for us would be one that is very good at timekeeping, also willingness to learn, good hand skills, ideally with at least a D in English and maths, but we can help.
My ambitions are to go on from this course to run an apprenticeship.
To go to university and do architecture for how many years the course is, if I get my grades obviously.
Hopefully an apprentice when I do leave college, and I would like to start my own business.
If I get the qualifications that I need, hopefully go to a big company, do some work, get a job and earn some money.
We provide work-based qualifications such as MVQs in ceiling fixings, dry lining, partitioning, shop fittings, access flooring. The assessment methods that we use at Dudley College involve on-site assessment at any time, anywhere in the UK to meet AIS members' needs.
I'm quite hungry to do what we do, and it gives you a sense of purpose.
If you're a hands-on person and you like the practical side of things, then it's definitely for you.
You can never get bored really, because you're constantly active.
The nice thing at the end of the day, you can stand back and you go, yes, I've done that.
It's a good place to be in. I don't know what I'd rather be doing.